Solana's price has risen by 60% in the last 7 days, making it the biggest gainer among the top 20 assets. Cardano was also up more than 21% on Sunday, trading at $0.34, a level last seen in November 2022. Both assets have risen due to the newly minted BONK coin and Cardano's enhanced DeFi activity. Will Cardano be affected after taking this act? Keep watching the video to know the answer. Hello everyone. Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Cardano ADA and Solana set monthly highs will be shown in today's video, so stay focused. Solana began the year with an 11% gain and rose by more than 60% in 7 days. Sol is now trading at $23.71, up more than 22% in the previous 24 hours. Sol's rise this week makes it the top gainer among the top 20 coins this year. Bulls are optimistic as SOL continues to recover from the tumult caused by the FTX debacle last year. Sol fell by more than 40% late last year due to FTX expenditures and major Web3 projects switching to other platforms. The release of the BONK coin, a SHIB-themed asset developed to compete with SHIB, has played a crucial role in the resurrection of SOL. Thus far, the currency has outperformed others in the market, increasing by nearly 3,000%. Cardano has also been in the green zone this year, returning from a negative phase in late 2022. ADA has gained more than 21% since the beginning of the year, with its price jumping to $0.35, which it last reached in November. ADA has risen 10% in the last 24 hours and 27% in the last 7 days. When ADA reaches a 2-month high, digital asset lovers consider it a harbinger of big things to come following its creator's intentions for the year. The rise in ADA may be attributed to increasing DeFi operations on the network. Since the beginning of the year, Cardano DeFi operations have risen by 40% in total assets locked on the network. According to DeFi Llama, the total value locked, TVL, on Cardano has reached 90 million and is expected to reach levels in November 2022. While the amount is less than that of the Ethereum or BNB chains, it is a step in the right direction. Meanwhile, the top 5 Cardano projects have had double-digit increases, with TVL on Minswap DEX increasing by 27% in the previous 7 days. According to CoinGecko statistics, the value of Solana and Cardano increased by more than 21% late Sunday, bringing them to levels last seen in November. Solana had the strongest first week of the year of any top 200 coins, clearing today with a 60% rise over the previous 7 days, after plunging more than 41% in the aftermath of the FTX catastrophe. SOL has rebounded admirably. Solana was formerly a favorite of Sam Bankman-Fried and was dubbed an Ethereum killer. Cardano's price has risen to $0.33, the highest since November 19, putting it in 8th place in market capitalization. Solana, which started its incredible rise on Monday with an 11% gain in value, climbed once more on Sunday, hitting $16.04, a level it hadn't achieved since November 9, when it was in the middle of a loss of more than 50% over the preceding 3 days. Solana plummeted 94% from its all-time high of $259 recorded only 1 year ago, according to CoinGecko. The debut of BONK, a new currency with a Shiba Inu motif produced by Solana developers to compete with SHIB, caused the spike last week. Even though the launch party was brief, BONK outperformed all other prominent cryptocurrencies over the week. Solana is a proof-of-stake Layer 1 blockchain network that allows developers to create non-fungible currencies and decentralized financial applications, DeFi, NFTs. A gain of more than 3,000% is impossible to match, yet dealing with 10,000 of a cent pricing helps. The origins of this week's spike in ADA need to be better understood. Implementing the Vassal fork in September was the blockchain's most recent big success. But Charles Hoskinson, a Cardano co-founder, has lately garnered a lot of buzz. Hoskinson's startup, Input Output HK, is preparing for the impending release of the Lace wallet for Cardano. Hoskinson also announced on Thursday that his new Wyoming facility, Hoskinson Health and Wellness, would take the ADA as payment. Hoskinson announced the opening of Nessie's, a restaurant and whiskey bar, that will also take ADA in June. According to data from the analytics site DFA Llama, there was $266.85 million locked in the Solana ecosystem on February 3, up from $244.5 million, but less than the $301 million locked in on December 1 and much less than the $10 billion locked in on November 6, 2022. Solana co-founder Raj Gokul said on December 7 that the demise of FTX might benefit the crypto industry in the long run. We've always received severe criticism about FTX's role in the ecosystem and that concentration of ownership stake, he told Fortune. So it's like taking off the Band-Aid. On December 9, Cardano, ADA, creator Charles Hoskinson proposed that Solana may become a sidechain on his platform, tweeting, "Come on Solana, utter the words. Be a sidechain." The Maple crypto lending platform said on December 15 that it would no longer issue loans on Solana, citing the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain switch to a proof-of-stake, POS, consensus method for the move. The help SOL had from Sam Bankman-Fried, the now disgraced former CEO of FTX, may have compounded its losses. Solana was dubbed the most underestimated cryptocurrency by Bankman-Fried as recently as August 2022. Previously, Alameda Research, a subsidiary of the FTX empire, had been a major investor in the Solana blockchain, with CoinDesk reporting that the FTX had spent more than $1 billion in SOL. According to Solana Compass, Alameda still had more than 47.5 million SOL locked and staked as of February 3, 2023, representing 67.1% of all locked staked Solana and 10.7% of all staked SOL. Yet, according to the Daily HODL, such coins might be in the hands of liquidators. Bankman-Fried had not only invested in Solana-based enterprises, but his exchange had also established a marketplace for Solana-based NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It might be worrying for SOL and its investors, especially given the collapse's impact on the blockchain's future. The announcement on November 11 that the Crypto.com exchange has banned withdrawals of Tether and USD over the Solana blockchain did not assist the crypto's position. Other stablecoin withdrawals, however, would be unaffected. The statement on November 29 that the Solana-based Serum exchange had become dead after the demise of FTX would have exacerbated the situation. But Solana has not been having a good time lately. The network had another big failure, and hackers hacked one of its lending protocols for $100 million in October. As a consequence, over two-thirds of an expert panel lost faith in the blockchain, according to Finder. Solana gained up to 20% on Saturday as crypto markets erupted to kick off the weekend. The cryptocurrency reached a 12-week high in today's session, breaking over a major price ceiling. Cardano has reached its highest level since November, with the global cryptocurrency market value up 6.86% as of this writing. Solana, the SOL, was one of Saturday's major gainers, rising by much to 20% in today's session. SOL/USD reached a high of $26.41 to begin the weekend, up from a low of $21.27 on Friday. Due to this movement, Solana broke over a crucial resistance level of $25, reaching its highest level since November 8. Cardano, ADA, was another huge mover over the weekend, reaching its highest level since November. After a low of $0.0364 on Saturday, the ADA/USD pair accelerated to an intraday high of $0.0326 earlier today. In the process, Cardano surged to its highest level in 12 weeks, smashing above a barrier level of $0 and 3,650 cents. As a result, previous gains have waned as traders seek to lock in profits, with ADA presently trading at $0 and 366 cents. Should this barrier be cleared, the next objective for ADA bulls is $0 and 40 cents. That's all we have for you today. Take a look at Cardano ADA and Solana set monthly highs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. First and foremost, what do you think about these cryptocurrencies, and how can you justify them more precisely?